My name is Zupash Agha. I've been allocated in the Pakistan Administrative Service and I'm from Karachi. And with me here today is a very good friend of mine.
My name is Ukasha Ibrar Rana. I have also been allocated to Pakistan Administrative Service and I belong to Lahore. So Rewrite Institute is basically the institute that connected Karachi to Lahore. Zubash, do you remember the time when we met for the first time?
Yes, we were both waiting for Lahori traffic to subside. So I was waiting for my cab and she was waiting for the traffic to subside so she could go home. So we just ended up talking and we talked about essays. I think I sent you essays on the spot.
Yes.
And then we were just talking about, written, what is the written preparation. And standing here today, she's qualified in her first attempt and I've qualified in my last attempt. So there's two very different perspectives. So let's talk about, Mukasha, what according to you are the do's in the written part?
According to me, the do's that one should follow during their written phase is basically that they should stay focused, they should avoid all type of diversions, and they should go for a lot of written practice. This is what I did for the 5 months that I prepared for. And this is the do's that I religiously followed during my written phase. So Zupash, these were the do's for me. What were the do's that you followed and that enabled you to secure such good marks?
If I had done these things in my first two attempts, I would have qualified. So again, I'd say number one would be guidance. Because coming from Karachi, it's very different. There's less academies, there's less mentors. So very important is to first have the right guidance. It's important to get your written write-ups checked. It's not just enough to write.
Yes, no.
Right? Because you can also be writing the wrong thing.
Yes, right guidance and the right mentor, I think.
Yeah.
This is the first step.
That's the first thing. Number two is the fact that you have to work. You have to keep writing. We were both in the G1 test session.
Yes.
And we both used to write all the time.
A lot.
And we socialized less at the time
Yes.
because written preparation is very different from interview preparation, in which we socialize more.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
So tell me the don'ts that you were not aware of during your first two attempts.
In my first two, I think subject selection was a very big issue because I didn't even know there's a same thing called a scoring trend.
Okay.
So it's very important to know about the scoring trend. Ab khair zyada pata hota hai, but scoring trend very important. Getting things checked again. The most important I think is feedback.
Yes.
Yeah. Feedback is very important.
According to me, there are also there are don'ts that I think I should have stayed away from. The first is, according to sir, there are a lot of whispers around you and you have to get rid of them. I was not able to do so. So this was the first don't that every aspirant should stay away from. They should stay away from all the negativity around them. And the second is, you should keep on writing again and again and again because you forget stuff. You're a human being.
Yeah.
So these are the two don'ts that you should avoid if you want to qualify in a shorter span, I would say.
Yes.
Yeah. And one do. Yeah. We have to pray a lot. You have to pray a lot and you have to keep strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you have to, one more thing, I think you have to take a lot of care of your parents.
Of course, of course.
Not only during this journey, but I think in the life.
Another thing I'd like to add about the whispers thing is I'm very lucky because in my third attempt I came here from Karachi. So I didn't know that CS is also the industry. Like in Lahore, I noticed it's a very big thing. So I every day people used to tell me, आप इस teacher के पास भी चले जाओ, आप उधर भी चले जाओ, आप इस academy पे भी चले जाओ. So I would have wasted so much time if I was from here, but because I'd come just for this, so I saved myself from that. It's very important to stay on one track.
अच्छा मेरे पे अल्लाह का करम ये हुआ कि whispers थे मुझे अफेक्ट करते थे लेकिन शुक्र है अल्लाह का कि मैं जो ना उससे बचती रही. अच्छा फिर then what happened was कि we reconnected after our written result.
Yeah. And written is a completely different ball game from interview.
Yes.
In interview you can study by discussion more.
Yes.
Whereas in written you have to write, in interview you have to talk. So it's much better that way.
So Zupash अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि इंटरव्यू की डूज बताएं क्या लगता है आपको क्या बताना चाहेंगे आप?
सबसे important I think is knowledge. Because if you don't know anything, no matter how well you speak, it's not going to have substance. So of course that's the first thing. Number two is to give mocks.
A lot of mocks.
A lot of mocks. Because over time, if you don't keep talking, you start stuttering.
Yeah, you do.
And you cannot stutter in a CSS interview. That's like, no, absolutely not. Number three is to give mocks to the right person, of course. You have to keep talking because it's a mock. If you keep writing for written, so you keep talking for interview.
Yeah.
Preparation. Other than that, I think it's very important to take care of your appearance in an interview. It really matters what you wear.
मैं तो ये कहती हूँ कि ये मेटाफिजिकल चीज़ है, ये आपको पूरी ज़िंदगी करनी पड़ती है अगर आपने सक्सेसफुल होना है। अच्छा, मुझे ये लगता है कि एक डू जो है ना, वो वाकई आपने बड़ा अच्छा बोला है, वो है स्टटरिंग वाला, कि आप भूल जाते हो एक हफ्ता अगर आप मॉक नहीं ना देते, एक वीक में एक मॉक नहीं देंगे या 2 नहीं देंगे, आप जब दोबारा आओगे तो यू कम्प्लीटली फॉरगेट कि बोलना भी किस तरह है।
And they want us to do 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So to do 1, 2, 3 for everything, you have to keep reading and practicing 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
And वो नहीं होता जब तक आप बार-बार जाके mocks नहीं देते. And over here we had panel mocks.
Yes.
So Sir Shoaib Mir was some kind of interview legend. And it was just very harrowing, those interviews, and I learned so much from them.
और
I learned so
also
much.
जैसे उन्होंने प्रेडिक्ट किया था, मोर और लेस
yeah, more or
रिजल्ट हम
less.
लोगों का बिल्कुल वही आया है जो उन्होंने प्रेडिक्ट किया था। अच्छा, मुझे एक डू जो लगता है ना, वो ये है कि न्यूज़पेपर
Very important.
न्यूज़पेपर इंटरव्यू फेज में रोजाना
रोजाना।
रिलीजियसली फॉलो करने, उसको लाइक 1-2 घंटे लगा के पूरा पढ़ो। That's what you, मतलब helps you in the longer run.
Another really important thing with Sir Taimur, the interviews were they were better because they were exactly how the real interview happened.
Yes.
There was this one insane moment. It was insane. Sir Taimur asked me in the full class, you know, what's the meaning of your name? It means the ray of the sun.
Okay.
When it hits the earth.
Okay.
So उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा, Sir Taimur asked me, he said, okay, how much time does it take for the sunlight to reach the earth?
Yeah.
ठीक है,
I
मैंने कहा,
remember.
8 minutes 30 seconds.
Yes.
In my real interview, the chairman asked me this as a last question. This was the last question.
Oh my god, don't tell me.
Yeah, this actually happened.
ठीक
And
है।
I was telling my family कि, you know, ये actually हुआ, ये असल question सच में आया ये उसमें. And nobody could believe that this actually happened. So
amazing.
Yeah,
No,
so it's not really theoretical that much in the interview because it's very mostly current affairs.
अच्छा, एक और चीज़ है कि मतलब इंटरव्यू मॉक्स में ना प्रेशर हैंडलिंग, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मैं सर तैमूर, मैं जब सर तैमूर के पास अपेयर होती थी, आई वुड बी अंडर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर
Because everybody sitting
yes. और जब मैं पैनल मॉक के लिए गई, पैनल मॉक के लिए मैं जब मैं असल पैनल के सामने भी गई, दैट वाज वेरी चिल। ठीक है, वो मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझसे अच्छी तरीके से बात हो रही है, मतलब बहुत अच्छा मेरा इंटरव्यू सिर्फ इस वजह से गुजरा था बिकॉज आई यूज टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर जो सर तैमूर मतलब आपको, मतलब आप डरते हो उनको देते हुए इंटरव्यू।
Another skill that I'm just remembering now is he knows when to yell at you and he knows when to not yell at you.
Yes.
When there's too much pressure, वो फिर हाथ हल्का रखते हैं. When you get lax, he will yell at you.
तो ये मेरे साथ हुआ था ना, नवंबर में I didn't come for 2 weeks, ठीक है, वो मेरे अब्बा बीमार थे, तो सर तैमूर called me and he said फेल हो जाओगी तुमने इंटरव्यू के लिए पढ़ना छोड़ दिया। एंड सर नॉट येल्ड एट मी बट वो मेरे लिए था कि सर की कॉल आ गई है अब।
You're very lucky because he yelled at me. He full on yelled at me because I think I gave a mock to Sir Shoaib and I wasn't smiling enough. And he said, you don't smile, you don't smile.
Yes, and
no, मैंने उस mock में भी smile नहीं किया. You know, clearly I was not like working on it. And after he yelled at me, then I worked on it.
और एक ही हुआ था कि वही noises वाली बात, whisper वाली बात, एक whisper आया मुझे कि आप थोड़ा तेज बोलती हैं। तो whisper सुनने के बाद right after listening to that whisper, I came to sir और मैंने mock दिया, तो सर मुझे कहते हैं तुम्हारी आवाज को क्या हुआ है? मैंने कहा सर नथिंग हैपेंड। कहते हैं या सर नॉट विंडो शॉपिंग, इधर एकेडमी में एक था, तो सर कहते हैं आप उसका दे ही नहीं रही इंटरव्यू, यू गो आउट ऑफ माय रूम एंड कम बैक जब आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल ठीक हो। मैंने कहा सर ने कैसे पकड़ा है, कैसे पता लगा, इन्हें नो आइडिया, लेकिन दिस इज व्हाट हेल्प्ड मी ना in the longer run.
In the interview, it's the small things, I think.
Yes,
because
yes.
like you're in person, the panel is there, there's no, you know, it's not like written कि आपने कोई तुक्का मार दिया, आपने cancel कर दिया, आपने, you know, झूठी लिख दिया. You can't lie in an interview. You are who you are.
Yes.
And again, the practice shows in the end.
अच्छा, इंटरव्यू की एक और बात बड़ी अच्छी है जो मुझे लगी, वो ये कि वो आपकी पर्सनालिटी को पूरा एनालाइज करते हैं। इफ यू आर इनटू वीडियोग्राफी, इफ यू आर इनटू प्लेइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, इफ यू आर इनटू पेट्स, दे विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट
I was asked about my pets.
वी वर सो लकी कि सर तैमूर ने हमें बताया हुआ था कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी का ये एस्पेक्ट है एंड दे आर गोना आस्क यू अबाउट इट, है ना? आपको याद है नहीं सारी बातें?
Yeah, you were a doctor and
Yes.
so मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि आपने you have to do that question right.
Why did you leave MBBS वाला? अच्छा, ज़ुबाश ये बताएं, how different was it for you? Because in Karachi there is a lot of, you know, environment के लोग corporate sector join करते हैं and you were, you know, going towards CSS. तो किस तरह आपने सारा अपना जर्नी का किया था? और
being from Karachi is, you know, in CSS it's not really, you know, doesn't give you an upside because no academies, no culture of CSS.
Culture.
Very different. Yeah, very, very different. Like my own siblings, they're corporate people, you know. So I would say to anybody who's from Sindh that if you want to do it, अगर आपने इरादा कर लिया है, it's better you don't sit there and do it. It's better you come here and do it. because you see it's
Specifically in read
2.9.
write,
Yeah,
you know?
of course.
Yes.
Like 2.9% was the passing rate this year.
Yes,
So
yes,
अब आपके पास कितना वो है कि आप lax हो या छोड़ दें, कम effort डालें. If you're doing it, do it once, do it right. एक बार करें, लेकिन full effort के साथ कर लें.
मैं तो कहती हूँ आप अपनी पूरी तरीके से देख लो कि आपने क्या पढ़ना है, क्या करना है, किस सर के पास. लेकिन once you decide, फिर उसके बाद stick to it, stay loyal to it ना.
Yes.
अच्छा ज़ुबाश, faith इंसान का CSS जर्नी में, इसके बारे में आप मुझे कोई insight दें. ये बड़ा important चीज़ है.
Very,
One should
very
know about
important,
it.
especially
Yes.
for like a third attempt person, you
Yes.
think you're not just going to be making it. So very, very important to believe in yourself. I remember I used to be freaking out all the time during my test session. I used to only give tests, and Sir Taimur used to check them.
Yes.
All the time I used to be like, sir, ye dekh lein essay ko, which is the most crucial paper really.
Yes.
It's the essay. It's no other paper.
Essay and Pressy भी.
Essay and Pressy
Pressy
भी
भी,
target
हाँ
होता
जी,
है. Yeah. So for essay, it's again two things. I think strategy, like how you write a technique.
Yes.
Number 2, practice.
And content.
Yeah, content.
Yes,
Definitely.
yes.
Yeah, like पूरे सही से topics तैयार करने हैं, research के साथ करने हैं, references के साथ करने हैं, quotations, how you present it with the black pen and the marker and the outline.
And outlines, yes.
And even in answers in general, I think presentation is number 1.
Number 1.
In turn, in written. And you got very good marks in written, so you tell us about what you did.
First of all, a lot of written practice. मुझे याद है कि मेरे यहाँ पे एक वो बन गया था, sort of ulcer बन गया था, लिख के. ठीक है. दूसरा ये कि I think that I worked on paper presentation too. I worked on content and I got my work checked from Sir Taimur. बहुत ज़्यादा essays लिखे थे मैंने. Like end हो गया था, essays लिख के खत्म हो गए थे हम लोग. और इसके अलावा एक और चीज़ है, what I think is कि faith वाला. Journey छोटा हो या लंबा हो, your faith, it gets crippled at times.
Of course.
ठीक है. तो उसमें आई थिंक कि अपने आप पे यकीन, ठीक है, अपने माँ बाप की दुआओं पे यकीन, एंड देन जो
आपके to have the right teacher.
तो वो आपका फेथ भी जो है ना, वो दोबारा से वो आपको शेट ही नहीं होने देता फेथ. मुझे याद है ज़ुबाश, मैंने जब रिटन का अभी वीक रह गया था तो सर, आई डिडंट कम टू अकेडमी, और सर तैमूर ने ना बाबा को कॉल किया. अब सर को नहीं पता था कि इट वाज लाइक माय बाबाज नंबर, ही सेव्ड इट एज ज़ुकाशा. सर ने बोला, तुम पेपर क्यों नहीं दे रही, तुम क्यों नहीं आ रही. अच्छा, मेरे पापा भी सुनते रहे. उसके बाद कहते उसके बाबा बात कर रहे हैं और वो दे रही है पेपर. तो this is what the right teacher means, to have his presence in your life. ये होती है.
With him it's more personal. Like he knows who you are.
Yes.
Like उनको पता है आप कैसे हो.
Did he call you कोई किसी attempt से पहले?
Oh my God, so many times. He's the one who told me my written result. I didn't even know the result is here in Sir Taimur.
And he called me too कि आप pass हो गई हो written में. He told me about the result.
He always cares. Another important thing is I was going to leave in January.
Okay.
Written se
Yeah,
pehle.
I remember.
I had my flight booked. I
Okay.
had my tickets and everything. I was just going to leave the next day. I only went to say goodbye to Sir Taimur. I said, sir, I'm going to be leaving. And thank you,
For all the efforts.
अब मैं जाने के लिए मैं पैकिंग कर ली, मैंने लोगों को गिफ्ट्स दे दिए जो goodbye वाले होते हैं and everything. Thank yous बोल दिए. And I'm standing there, sir, thank you, I'll be leaving. I was happy to leave, obviously. Like, who doesn't want to go home? So then he's like, no, you're not going anywhere. अभी मुझे आपको चीजें करवानी है.
Okay, अच्छा.
Okay, and then वो चीजें थी I think in the span of 12 days, I must have written 20 essays.
Oh my God, this is
It was
huge.
it's the hardest thing I've ever done.
Oh my.
एक तो January में लाहौर की ठंड.
हाँ जी.
Like how that is for a Karachiite.
हाँ ना.
And then 2 essays every day. Every day, not even like G1 की एक बीच में gap होता है. Like every day 2 essays.
यार सुबह और शाम वाला.
सुबह और शाम वाला.
बिल्कुल.
And I used to be so tired. I used to be so exhausted, but because it's like चलो he believes in me. At least he asked me to stay. And he used to check those. He used to really check those and grade those.
मैंने भी जो लास्ट ऐसे लिखा था ना, तो जब सर ने उसको पास किया ना, कहते now you are ready to go.
Yeah,
and that was like
है.
3-4 दिन पहले की बात है written से.
Yeah.
तो उसमें ये हुआ था. So Pash, why did you choose IR?
IR is it's a subject I like because it's very interesting.
Yeah.
I don't think it's dry. I think it's very applicative.
Yeah.
You read the paper, it's IR. You read history, it's also kind of IR. You read magazines like Foreign Affairs, it's IR. I read books about this subject, so it's just my interest.
सही है.
Read political science in comparison. I know it's more scoring, but I think it's so dry.
लेकिन it got hit this year. इस दफा लोगों के score कम आया उसमें.
That's the thing, जब rush लग जाता है फिर वो hit हो जाता है, right? That's the thing. Like somebody said that, so I took IR for that reason. But political science, I think you got a very good score this year.
Yeah,
कैसे आया?
स्कोर मतलब जाहिर सी बात है, मुझे पसंद है पोल साई बहुत ज्यादा, और मेरा पेपर हुआ बहुत अच्छा था, मेरे दोनों पेपर्स बहुत अच्छे हुए थे.
How did you attempt it? What was your strategy for this one subject?
For political science I knew कि philosophers लोग जो होते हैं वो selected cover करते हैं, मैंने सारे किए थे. जो क्वेश्चन आए थे ना तो मुझे वो 5 के 5 क्वेश्चंस आते थे.
Because I heard people prepared something और आया कुछ और था.
हाँ ना, क्योंकि अब जिससे डिकार्ट आया था मैं, I think therefore I am. अब लोगों ने वो नहीं किया होता, since वो कहते हैं कि philosophy में ज़्यादा important, मैंने वो भी किया हुआ था, बल्कि I attempted that question. So मेरे ख्याल से, और फिर अल्लाह ताला का करम हुआ है मुझ पे.
You did the proper तैयारी.
Yeah, I did the proper.
नहीं किया.
नहीं, मैंने कभी किसी सब्जेक्ट के लिए I never did selective syllabus. I used to cover all.
And what about paper 2, which I heard was more difficult because it was like very weird.
It was not difficult. Unexpected था क्योंकि constitutions नहीं आए थे, but it was more related to current affairs ना. तो मेरे current affairs पे grip थी, तो मेरा वो पेपर भी अच्छा हुआ था.
So you must have attempted it with terminology of
Yes, yeah, I did that. तो उस वजह से I think I got good score. आपकी हिस्ट्री कौन सी थी?
Indo-Pakistan history.
कैसी थी वो?
वो ऐसी थी जैसी है, you know, with like 60s, yeah. My problem was that I gave an attempt in 2019 and then 2020.
Okay, ठीक है.
So now I had the same subjects for these 2 years. Now in my third, I don't want to change. You know, फिर से start करो उसको, right? I was like, you know, if I do enough written and I cover enough syllabus, I'll make it. Like I'll get 60 something. और I उतनी आए.
माशाल्लाह.
Yeah. So my strategy was to, okay, even if the subject is low scoring, I'll do the syllabus properly. I'll do enough papers to score like above average.
And that was the key.
That's what happened. Yeah. फिर वो written मेरा वही हुआ. And what do you think about the criminology law? What did you do in this?
असल में criminology की तरफ I had an inclination because medical में ना we studied forensic medicine. तो उसमें हमने काफ़ी कुछ पढ़ा हुआ था, ये criminal procedure code और criminal procedure और सारा. तो मैंने कहा ये criminology रखते हैं. हम criminology को करना मुश्किल काम है because इंटरनेशनल ऑथर्स आपको पढ़ने पड़ते हैं, और हमारा एक डिलेमा है कि हम लोग ना शॉर्टकट्स ढूंढते हैं, शॉर्ट बुक्स ढूंढते हैं. तो वो क्रिमिनोलॉजी को करने में मुझे इशू हुआ था, लेकिन आई गॉट गुड स्कोर. हालांकि ये हिट हुआ था और मुझे अपना स्कोर 58 है या 59 है.
वो हिट हुआ है
Yes, hit हुआ है.
That's a good score.
हाँ जी. तो लेकिन जो सब्जेक्ट मैंने बहुत खुश होकर रखा था ना, that was European history.
Okay.
Yeah, because
it's very scoring, right?
Yeah, it's very scoring, but I got 64 in it. So I opted it for because I like Napoleon a lot. तो मैंने कहा कि Napoleon से start हो रहे थे, you know, let's go for European history, and it was a very good decision, जो कि मुझे लगता है अल्लाह ने मुझ पे करम किया कि मैंने रखी.
So I think for written, 2 things are important.
Yes.
Scoring trend भी है.
हाँ जी.
But इंटरेस्ट भी है.
इंटरेस्ट
भी होना चाहिए.
इंटरेस्ट तो बहुत ज्यादा है.
I know a lot of people, they take it for the scoring trend, but they can't get through the syllabus.
Yes,
ना वो पढ़ते हैं ना फिर स्कोर आता है. So it's better to, you know, just do what you like.
Did you opt for any language?
No, I did not.
You did not, क्योंकि आपकी सिंधी होनी थी अगर आप रखती तो.
But like in school we did Urdu in O levels, so I can speak Sindhi but I cannot write Sindhi.
Oh, that was the problem for me Punjabi में. लेकिन
but you still gave Punjabi.
Yeah, I gave or I got pretty good marks in it. और सिर्फ उसमें हुआ ये कि
very scoring subject. It's a good call.
Yeah, Sir Taimur, but Sir Taimur ने क्या किया कि उन्होंने मुझे कहा छोटे-छोटे words लिखो पहले, जेड़ा, जेदा, तिन्नू, केनू, ये सीखो पहले.
Started over.
Yeah, ना मैंने वो सीखे पहले. फिर उसके बाद I started preparing for Punjabi. Inclination मेरी थी towards ना Sufism और सारा.
That's very nice.
Yeah, तो वो फिर मुझे पंजाबी ने भी बड़ा हेल्प किया. बड़ा स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट है अगर सही तरीके से किया जाए. सही तरीके से किया जाए.
Exactly. सबको नहीं मिलता. I know a lot of people who did not. उनको मुश्किल लगा था ये पेपर.
पंजाबी का मुश्किल था ना, क्योंकि criticisms आए थे सारे. वो नहीं आया था कि आप शेर लिख लें. No, criticisms थे. लेकिन I think कि with right practice आप इसको कर सकते हैं.
I think the moral here is if you're preparing for written, whatever subject you take it for scoring or you take it for interest.
Yes.
Do it 100% with the syllabus.
Yes.
Don't do selective.
Yeah, don't do selective syllabus. तो अगर आपको मैं कहूँ कि like short सा message दें for the people जो कि आगे अब CSS करेंगे in 2025 and you know आगे की years के लिए, तो what would be that?
My message would be to not give up. Yeah. My message would also be to make sure you have the right guidance. Please don't go to too many places because too many cooks, they really do spoil the broth. So please go to one person, do it justice, give your 100%. Whatever happens, there's also other things in life.
Yes.
Like do whatever you like, right? Like it works out, it doesn't work out, it's okay.
But it works out in the end.
Yeah, because people कुछ ज़्यादा ही they get too stressed out or they get too obsessed.
Yes.
So you know, don't do it at the cost of your mental health. Make sure you have your mental health. Make sure you're happy. It's more important. If you pass and you're unhappy, I don't think that's right either.
सही है.
तो खुश रहें और you know आराम से करें, like सही से करें. Take it easy.
Yes.
Take it easy.
ठीक है.
What would you say?
I would say कि first of all right guidance. ठीक है. Short span में अगर आपके पास हो फिर अल्लाह ताला जो करम करे आप पे. ठीक है. Right guidance है. focus है, written practice है, strong faith है और इबादत है.
बिल्कुल.
नमाज और इबादत.
Of
This
course.
is, I think, कि आपका ये जो है ना, ये drugs हैं for, you know, getting educated.
And
So-
this is very special because me and Ukasha, during our interview preparation,
Yes.
talked about getting allocated in the same group.
So that we might be roommates.
Yeah, so that we could be roommates. So
तो वो अब हो गया है.
it's really, really special to share this with you.
Yes.
And congratulations.
Congratulations to you as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.